Hey there, grammar geeks. Are you a proofreading fanatic who wants to make some cash out of your knack for spotting errors? Well, the internet is your oyster. The demand for proofreading has skyrocketed thanks to the digital age, and you can ride the wave by starting your very own online proofreading business. Don't know where to start? Don't fret. I've got you covered in this video, where I'll walk you through the skills you need, the tools you should use, and the steps you should take to get started. But wait, there's more. This free 76-minute workshop is the perfect way to get started, with 5 signs to help you determine if proofreading is a great fit for you. Learn how to attract your ideal proofreading prospects, the surprisingly easy way to do it, and so much more. So, don't miss this opportunity to start a career that offers flexibility, independence, and a great income, all in the comfort of your own home. Sign up now for free and take the first step toward your new career. You can find the sign-up link in the description. Before you can start proofreading online, you'll need a few things. 1. Computer. You'll need a laptop or desktop computer with an internet connection. 2. Proofreading software. The most important tools for a successful online proofreading business are grammar and spell checkers. These tools help you quickly and accurately detect errors in text, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. You may want to invest in a subscription to a service like Grammarly or Pro Writing Aid. These services offer premium features like plagiarism detection, automated grammar and spell checking, and more. You can check out these tools by clicking on the link in the description. 3. Manual Style Guide. You may also want to invest in a style guide such as the Chicago Manual of Style or the AP Style Book. These books provide guidelines on punctuation, grammar, and style. 4. Marketing materials. You'll need business cards, a website, and other materials to help you promote your business. Hold up everyone. Before we get started, I want to tell you about a great course that can help you start a successful freelance proofreading business from the comfort of your own home. The course I'm referring to is Proofread Anywhere by Caitlin Pyle. This comprehensive program will teach you the essential skills you need to become a professional proofreader and provide you with the strategies and resources to create a successful business. With step-by-step instructions and video tutorials, Caitlin will guide you through the process of finding clients, understanding the online job market, and managing your own business. Plus, Caitlin's exclusive job board and mentor program will help you find lucrative opportunities and get your business up and running quickly. So, if you're interested in checking out the course, the link is in the description. Alright my friend. You've got all the skills and tools to be a boss proofreader, so let's get this started. First things first, you've got to make a website where you can showcase your skills and let potential clients know what you're all about. This is like the crib for your business online. It's where you show off your skills and make all the money. Then, you've got to flex your skills with a portfolio. This is like your greatest hits album, but instead of music, it's proofreading. Here, you can highlight your best work and give clients a taste of what you can do. It's a great way to make a strong first impression and set yourself apart from the competition. Once you've got your website and portfolio set up, it's time to get out there and hustle. You can use social media, blogging, or even good old-fashioned flyers to spread the word about your proofreading services. So get out there and let the world know that you're the best proofreader in town. Alright, now that you've officially become a business owner, it's time to get those clients rolling in. Don't worry, it's not as difficult as trying to teach a cat to do tricks. Trust me, I've tried. One option is to explore online freelance marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr. Think of it like virtual dating, but instead of finding romance, you're finding clients in need of your services. Another way to land clients is to check out job postings on job boards and classified sites like Craigslist and Indeed. It can be like a virtual treasure hunt, except instead of gold coins, you'll find job opportunities. However, the most effective way of landing clients is to take matters into your own hands and reach out directly to potential clients. You can go old school and knock on doors like a vacuum salesman, minus the awkward pitch, or slide into those DMs like a smooth operator. Either way, don't be afraid to put yourself out there and showcase what you can offer. With a bit of effort and a friendly attitude, you'll be sure to attract plenty of new clients in no time. Let's talk about setting your rates as an editor or proofreader. It can be a bit daunting, but trust me, it's an important step in running a successful business. The last thing you want is to undercharge and end up resenting your clients, or overcharge and scare them away. So, take a deep breath, grab a cup of tea, or coffee, If that's your thing, and let's get into it. First things first, you need to consider the value that you bring to the table. You're not just fixing grammar and typos, you're refining language and enhancing communication. You're a language wizard, my friend. So don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. At the same time, be mindful of your client's budgets and needs. You can offer different rates depending on the complexity of the project, the turnaround time, and the level of editing or proofreading required. And hey, if you want to throw in a discount for repeat clients or referrals, go for it. The point is to find a balance that works for you and your clients. Hey there. Congrats on securing some clients. That's amazing news. But if you're anything like me, you're probably itching to take your business to the next level. Well, fear not, my friend, because there are plenty of ways to grow your business and make it rain. One option is to invest in online ads. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads can be incredibly helpful in attracting new clients and expanding your reach. But don't forget about the power of personal connections. Offering sweet discounts and referral incentives to your current clients can be a great way to show them some love while also bringing in new business. And of course, great customer service is key. Treat your clients like royalty, and they'll keep coming back for more. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also consider adding new services to your lineup. This can diversify your offerings and attract an even wider range of customers. Remember, there's no limit to what you can achieve with a little creativity and a lot of determination. Let's make it rain. Starting an online proofreading business is an excellent way to make money from home. All it takes is a few skills, the right tools, and a bit of creativity. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can start your own online proofreading business and turn your passion into a profitable business. If you want to know more, you can also check out the Proofread Anywhere course and free workshop by clicking the link in the description. I will see you next time.